Well, Memorial Day and 4th of July are just about here, coming up on us. So let's do a patriotic tier tray today. So I think before I get started, I want to just show you some pieces that I have here. This little sphere, I got, this is secondhand. I got that really cheap. Also, this milk glass vase is secondhand. These pieces here and this one here came from Hobby Lobby. I believe this little piece did too. And then I use these here for risers. These you can get at Hobby Lobby also. I think this one came from Hobby Lobby too. And then over here I have this, I got it at an antique outlet. Another cutting board here. Some greenery. We've got our little lights here. These came from Amazon. But I'm not sure they're gonna stay on there because they're gold. I feel like they're not gonna work as well. But anyways, I'm gonna try to keep the majority of these pieces on here and then incorporate in some of my patriotic decor. I picked up just a few new pieces from Hobby Lobby. This kind of rustic, primitive American flag, these stars here, and then this one that says freedom. So let's see if we can incorporate these in. The first thing that I like to do is to decide what goes in the center. And so I think I'm going to start, maybe I want the truck here in the center. I'm thinking, take the rolling pin out for a minute.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time.
So I love this little sign. I always want to incorporate it, but I always have a hard time finding a place to put it on a tray. I guess the size of it is probably why.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves.
Okay, when I put this stuff in the bed of the truck, my sign fell on top. I don't know. Let's try something different here.
Change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter.
I don't know. I feel like it needs something else. Or there's something about it that's not right. It does need something in the middle. All right, I brought up a couple more pieces. I have this little house, and then I have this sign that I made with my Cricut a few years ago. And then when you flip it over, it's got like a primitive style flag on it. And then I just thought I don't know if this would work. This is a little faux cake I made. I can link that below the video. I did this a long time ago. It's a much older video. But if you're interested, but I don't know. Let's see if these things work.
Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
I'm putting the little galvanized container and then also the bicycle piece in the back just to prop up the little cutting board because it does keep falling. And we're going to place a couple of these little hearts inside of the little creamer there. If you're enjoying this video, I would love it if you would give it a like or leave a comment below. If you're like these type of videos, I do trays, I do decorating, I do some DIYs. Also, if you enjoy that sort of thing, you might consider subscribing to my channel also. Sometimes you get to the end and you do have a little bit of a dilemma. It's like a puzzle. You're putting it together, piecing things together, and sometimes you're like, okay, I just need something different, and that's the point we're getting to right here. All right, folks, I'm about to lose my battery, so this is the finished product. Just going to kind of give you a glance at it. I put a couple flags on either side here. There's that. Put the spoon over there. Just tucked in those stars and hearts. And here is what I've come up with. All right, so I did some changes. I just put some coasters back here to prop this up, and I moved the bicycle to the front because I thought that area was kind of blank and needed something. So here's where I keep this tray normally. I keep it on the corner of one of my counters. I thought I would show it to you with the lights down and then the little fairy lights on. See how it looks like that. I tweaked it a little bit. You can see I put the little bicycle in there. Let me know what you think. I'd like to know. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, or leave a comment if you have any. If you have a tray that you think you'd like to see me do, let me know. I'm looking for some new ideas actually. Please consider liking or sharing this video if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. And here's a couple more videos for you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye now.